Fix the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable in Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7. If you're seeing the error, the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable when trying to access a file, folder, or external drive, don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix this problem in just a few minutes, so let's get started. Let's try repairing system files with the SFC scan. Just press Windows plus S to open the search menu, type CMD in the box and select Run as Administrator. Here, you need to simply type SFC/scan now and hit enter. Wait for the scan to complete and then restart your PC. After that, check if the error appears again. Now check your computer for malware and disable antivirus. Just open the Windows Security app. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab, click Scan option, select Full Scan and hit the Scan Now button. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer and try to access the external hard drive. If you have a third-party antivirus tool on your PC, just right-click its icon in the system tray and select the option to disable or turn off Shield protection. It's possible that the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable error is related to a drive letter conflict with another drive or a system glitch. If so, assigning a new letter to your external drive should help. Just press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box and type disk mgmt.msc in the box and click OK. Right-click the external drive in the disk management window and select Change Drive Letters and Paths. Select a drive letter and click the Change button. In the Change Drive Letter or Path window, check the Assign the following drive letter option and choose a new letter from the drop-down menu, then click OK. Windows may have trouble accessing certain files or folders due to memory-related issues. To address this, use the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Just in the Start menu, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic, then select Restart Now and check for problems. And that's it. These are some of the steps to fix the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable in Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7.